Beautiful conditions. Right now out at Hector, we're looking at temperatures holding in the mid-80s right now. There's a little bit of a breeze out here at the Cashwise Backyard Barbecue. It's about 14 miles per hour from the north, so it keeps you cool out there. So the 84 doesn't feel too hot. That humidity, not so bad at 35%. Elsewhere across the region, we have temperatures well into the 80s up and down the Red River. Not quite as warm down to the south. Cavalier, you have 86. Roseau, you're at that same reading. It was 86 last hour in Grand Forks. We've cooled down a couple of degrees there. And sliding down to the south, we have temperatures that are a little bit lower. Some clouds and stormy weather down to the south of us, limiting our warming just a little bit. Also, those recent rains, they, too, impact our high temperatures for the day. A lot of mid and upper 70s from Elbow Lake to Wahpeton out to Gwinner. Here is a peek then at what we have going on the satellite and radar. And you can see most of our southern and western counties seeing a fair amount of clouds. And looking overhead right now, they're of the high variety. So not much of a rain threat from them. Perfect to get out and enjoy. You're not out in that direct sunshine, even though temperatures are in the 80s. It couldn't feel more comfortable. Here is a look at what we are expecting to take place as we look at the regional picture. Some serious storms down to the south in Iowa. A couple of tornado warnings earlier. Those are pressing into western Illinois and also through the central regions of Missouri. We're well north of that storm track, and most of our areas stay dry this evening. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows the details locally. This evening, if you're out and about, we'll see more clouds south and some abundant sunshine in northwest Minnesota. As we set things into motion, temperatures will slip down into the 60s by the time we get closer to bedtime for many of us. Overnight, that's right where we stay, in the 60s. So very comfortable temperatures as the winds should quiet down for the overnight hours. As we head through midday, temperatures will rise quickly from the 60s right back to near 80 for your lunch hour, and beyond, we'll see temperatures once again getting into the mid-80s, maybe in Grand Forks, a shot at some upper 80s in your neck of the woods. A hot one out there with winds that'll be easterly at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Once again, more clouds down to the south. We close off the day with very quiet conditions as we go into the evening with partly cloudy skies and 70s for the duration of your Thursday evening. Here is a look at Fargo's hour-by-hour planner. Tomorrow we start out with the afternoon temperature of 85 in Fargo, 84 in Jamestown, and 86 for Roseau. A sizzler once again, slightly warmer up in the Northern Valley, cooler down to the south with more clouds. Now, take a look at this photo that was uploaded at valleynewslive.com, and it's a beauty. We appreciate everyone taking the time to do that and get those photos uploaded. This one showing the colors of a gorgeous sunset, Tiffany Qualley in Comstock, Minnesota. All right, let's gander at that 7-day planner. First and foremost, let's go through the next couple of days as we look at temperatures that will be continuing to climb through the close of our work week. In Fargo, we'll stay in the mid-80s up north. We could see some upper 80s where it's a little drier. Can't rule out a spotty thunder shower on Friday. For your weekend ahead, temperatures are looking to be in the lower 80s. We'll have hit and miss showers and thunderstorms. It's not going to rain all weekend, so get the grill out and have some fun. Next week, it looks like a heat wave is in the plans as we go toward the latter part of the week. And things will really warm up as we get started with our first full week of summer next week. Greg joins